How to upload audio to Roblox. So maybe you're thinking, how are you going to add audio to your Roblox account? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the most easiest way on how to do that. First, of course, you just have to log in to your Roblox account, and then you have to click create, and that is next to marketplace. And then here on the left side, you have to scroll down and click this creations. Okay, so once you tap this creations, you will see options such as the following. We have here experiences, events, avatar items, and development items. So all you have to do is to click this development items here. And then you will see other options and features again, like modals and packages, plugins, and audio. So you have to tap this audio right here. Now, this is what it looks like, and you have to make sure that the format is MP3 or this one right here, and maximum size per file is 20 MB. So once your audio has the same format, tap Upload Asset, and this is what it looks like. Upload your audio from your device, and then go to name here. You can change the name here. It's up to you. And also, you can add description to your audio. So let's just say this is my music, or let's just say this is your favorite music. This is my best music, or this is my music for 2024. And then after that, you have to scroll down and then tap upload, and that's it. So if you want to see your audio, or if you want to check if it has been uploaded, then tap creations and you can see it right here. And that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.